Now we'll cross over to the port city of Mombasa, where the tea auction happens every Tuesday. And joining us now is Peter Kimanga. He is the general manager of Global Tea and Sales, Global Tea and Commodities Kenya. Peter, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Hello, Peter?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, looking at the auction yesterday, we saw very impressive results there, the highest demand that we've seen so far this year. Take us through the performance that you saw yesterday.
We have been having prices declining in the last 4 to 5 weeks because of the high volumes coming out from the tea growing areas around us. But having come down for successively 4 weeks, there's a feeling within buyers that we have almost seen the rock bottom prices, and this is more demand driven by complement rather than consumption. Yeah, we never seen these prices in the last 2-3 years, so obviously buyers feel we've seen the lowest, the bottom of the prices, and there's renewed demand.
Do you expect
obviously
these prices to continue dropping?
They have been dropping, but we think we have reached the bottom. 1, 2, we are getting into the very cold months of the year when production is very low. So with this in mind, obviously buyers are now looking at reduced offerings in the next couple of weeks. So this has had a bearing on yesterday's slightly stronger market.
And do you expect the demand to continue going to the next auctions?
Yes, we expect next week to be now again across the board. We expect it to start going up.
All right. And looking at the weakness that you have seen in the dollar, in the dollar, if you look at it in comparison with the Kenyan shilling, how is that favoring the market, the tea auction?
Luckily, our auction is traded in dollars and we export also in dollars. So the movement of the Kenyan shilling is really inconsequential. Except for the producers, though, who have been getting slightly higher for the dollar when they exchange from the dollar now to the shillings. But the movement has been, again, very little. We're doing around 84, 85 shillings to the dollar for the last 4 weeks, for about 4 months. So as far as buyers and exporters are concerned, we don't feel the effect because our auction is held in dollars.
And where are we seeing the strongest support in terms of the buying side?
The major buyers of our teas at the moment are Pakistan, we have Egypt, UK, Sudan, and Afghanistan. Those 5 countries take about 75% of Kenya's crop.
I have noticed that you didn't mention Egypt, which is also one of the top buyers. What was happening yesterday on that counter?
Again, with the feeling that the prices are almost at the rock bottom, we saw the Egyptian buyers quite active. I would imagine they were buying more for stock, waiting for fresh orders to come in, because obviously they felt the prices are just hitting the bottom.